Hello learners, greeting from Macademy. I am Kamesh. I am the instructor for this course. In this course, you will learn how to program the Scratch GPIO pin on Raspberry Pi to work on the physical computing with Scratch. Scratch is a very accessible and easy to learn programming framework for both young children and adults. With close association with Raspberry Pi and its educational emphasis has been a perfect match. The Scratch GPIO projects brings control, sensing of the Pi's low-level GPIO pins to Scratch in a very powerful way. It continues to enhance the package to support LCD screens, motors, components, distance sensor, electronic and robotics. The level of hardware control offered by Scratch GPIO even allow beginner programmers the ability to interact with the physical world with a simple and familiar programming framework. I will guide you step by step how to go building about these projects. I will also share the code with you so that you can replicate the project by yourself. I look forward to you joining this course. Thank you.